nice gift to the country on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday tomorrow. Mr. Kishore Junnuwala's collection on the me and my Mahatma Gandhi has been displayed here by the in the leadership of Mrs. Nidhi Chaudhary, senior IAS officer, the Art Museum, and it is not only inspiring but it is worth remembering. It will attract thousands of people and it will guide to the people to live the life in a way Gandhi ji have decided for himself and for his country.
जी का कलेक्शन मैंने 69 में स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि मेरी हॉबी तो कई थी पहले, नोट कॉइन स्टैम्प कलेक्ट करने का भी तो बहुत बचपन से थी। मैंने अराउंड में 10 साल का था मैं, पर उसमें कोई सब्जेक्ट ऐसा फोकस नहीं था कि भाई मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या करूँगा, क्या नहीं करूँ। तो 69 में गांधी सेंटेनरी हुआ और वो गांधी सेंटेनरी में 70 कंट्रीज ने गांधी का स्टैंप निकाला और इंडिया ने गांधी स्टैंप भी निकाला, कॉइन भी निकाले और नोट भी निकाले। तो मैंने बोला इस सब बाकी फालतू को हटाओ और कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गांधी। उसको आज हो गए 56 साल हो गए, पूरा 56 साल पूरा हो गया।
ये रुचि कहाँ से आई?
ये स्कूल में एक टेक्स्ट था गांधी जी का, एक कोट था, हेट द सिन नॉट द सिनर। मतलब एक आदमी पाप करता है तो उसका मतलब नहीं वो पूरा आदमी अछूत हो गया। उसका वो जो शराब पीता है वो शराब पीना ही है, खाली बुराई तक सीमित रखो उसको, और जिस दिन वो बुराई छोड़ देगा वो अच्छा आदमी हो गया। मैं तो बोलता है यार तो शराबी पीता, उसको जिंदगी भर के लिए डिस्कार्ड कर दिया। मानने का फॉलो करना बहुत मुश्किल है और उसने तो दिया कोट। तो मैं बोला महात्मा है वो, उसने ह्यूमैनिटी ज़्यादा सिखाई। फ्रीडम फाइटर का क्या है, फ्रीडम फाइटर में तो 3 रोल किया खाली उन्होंने।
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे भी नेशनल गैलरी ऑफ मॉडर्न आर्ट में हम वही फोकस कर रहे हैं ना, द मैन बिहाइंड द फ्रीडम फाइटर। तो उस बारे में बताइएगा एंड ऑल्सो टेल अस कि व्हाट आर द डाइवर्स आइटम्स दैट द पब्लिक कैन कम एंड सी हियर टू ऑल्सो गेट एजुकेट
अलग प्रकार की चीज़ें देख सकती है पब्लिक।
यहाँ पे जी मैं सबको यही बोलता हूँ क्या नहीं है। इफ़ यू टेक ए सब्जेक्ट कलेक्शन।
What prompted you to bring this beautiful exhibition by our Mere Gandhi ji here at National Gallery?
Because Gandhi ji has walked the walls of National Gallery of Modern Arts. When it used to be Kuvasji Jahangir Institute, he has delivered a speech here, which has also been recorded in the autobiography of Gandhi ji, My Experiments with Truth. The 27th chapter, Bombay Days, mentions how he came here and he has had a written scripted speech, but he could not complete it. And he felt the stage fright, and then Effie Din Shavacha has to complete. The way this exhibition has been curated, it is to show the men behind Mahatma.
Yeah.
How as a fragile, tender, weak person, he grew and became what he became. And also the fact that has been stressed enough by all the consul generals also, that he is the identity of this country, and everywhere across the world people know India by Gandhiji, and which is what we wanted to tell the young generation of Mumbai as well.
Yeah. In the speeches we heard Mr. Jhunjhunwala was saying that he went all over the place and nobody was willing to take the exhibition. What prompted National Gallery of Modern Art to say yes?
He had come to National Gallery of Modern Arts Mumbai also so many times, and GMA Mumbai also has not accepted this for quite some time. I don't know what and why this was not accepted, because this is a very beautiful collection of personal letters. Even ashes of Gandhiji, real ashes of Gandhiji are displayed there for paying tributes to Gandhiji. And personally, knowing the fact that he was here, knowing the fact that he has mentioned about this institute in his autobiography, that itself should be good enough reason to pay tributes to through this exhibition. That was the reason. The moment he showed me his collection, it took me a nanosecond to say yes. And I would request all the people of Mumbai to experience this. This will be open till 15th of October. Any day, every day, please come and see the men behind the Mahatma.
Yeah, and you want to give us a little, you've already given us some insights like the ashes, but what are the different facets that one can come and see here?
There are coins, there are notes, there are stamps, there are letters written in handwriting of Mahatma Gandhi, and there are statues that he has collected from different places of the world. There are paintings, there are newspaper clippings when he died, when we lost Mahatma, from across the world. You will see it in different languages of the world, how the world mourned the death of Mahatma. So from the beginning, when he was the oldest letter is of 1904 when he was an advocate. He was a barrister only, and that's a letter which he has written to his client. From that to the day he died, we are celebrating every single memory, which is presented in the form of a little coin, a little stamp, a little letter. And I hope and pray that people will come, people will experience it, and will once again remember the fact that we got this freedom that we so take for granted after a lot of struggle of people like Gandhiji. Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
मंजू जी, सच अ प्लेजर टू सी यू. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपने और मेरे गांधी जी एग्जीबिशन के बारे में?
बहुत सुंदर एग्जीबिशन लगाया है. किशोर जी की बरसों की मेहनत है, मेरे 65 इयर्स की मेहनत है उन्होंने. और गांधी जी हम सब के लिए एक प्रेरणादायी व्यक्तित्व हैं, और हम सब मानते हैं कि ये गांधी जी थे जिनकी वजह से आज हम आज़ाद भारत में सांसें ले रहे हैं. तो गांधी जी के व्यक्तित्व से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. सबसे बड़ी सत्य, अहिंसा, सहनशीलता, और उनके जितने भी हम चीज़ें पढ़ें कि उनके जीवन में क्या क्या घटा है, अगर हम उन सब में से कुछ भी अपना लें तो हमारा जीवन भी बहुत शांतिमय हो सकता है. मुझे गांधी जी की 2 पोतियों के साथ बहुत बातचीत करने का अवसर मिला, उषा जी और सुमित्रा जी से. तो उनसे भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, और मैं ये भी मानती हूँ कि गांधी जी ना होते अगर कस्तूरबा जी उनके साथ न होती. उन्होंने जीवन भर उनका बहुत अच्छे तरह से साथ दिया है. इसलिए गांधी जी की मूर्ति, जिस तरह कहा कि हर देश में, हर कंट्री के लोग उनको जानते हैं, तो ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात होनी चाहिए कि ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जो कि हमारे भारत का था, जो कि महात्मा हैं और जो कि हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं, तो ऐसे गांधी जी को हम श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. और सिर्फ एक दिन हम जैसे कि हमें श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित नहीं करती है, जीवन भर हमें उनके सिद्धांतों को अपने जीवन में अपनाना चाहिए कि दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, तूने कर दिया कमाल. नमन. जय हिंद. भारत माता की जय.
थैंक यू.
It's a pleasure to have witnessed this beautiful exhibition. जैसा कि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि ये एग्जीबिशन नॉर्मल एग्जीबिशन से अलग है. गांधी जी की लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा इसमें इट्स शेडिंग लाइट ऑन गांधी जी's लाइफ एंड द मैन बिहाइंड द महात्मा. तो व्हाट डज इट टेक फॉर NGMA टू ब्रिंग सच अ वास्ट एग्जीबिशन?
For NGMA, it's like very important to put source, which also shows the essence of the nation. And this exhibition is being organized on the special occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, which is tomorrow, 2nd October, and it is also the Non-Violence Day. So we just planned this exhibition to be exactly around it, and we are also celebrating Seva Pav, and it started from 17th of September and it will end on 2nd October. We had lots of outreach activities planned during this Seva Pav, and this one is the exhibition which is around Gandhiji. And main intention and for our team also is that to bring the side which is not shown to the wall. So this exhibition mostly focuses on the letters and also on the stamps and the aspects like what happened after his death in the media and how it was being taken by the entire world. And at the same time some of his rare photographs, some archival materials along that, the coins, and the role of Gandhiji is like showcased by the entire collection of Sri Kishore Jhunjhunwala. He has been collected it since 65 years, and it is the rare collection having lots of photographs, archival materials, and for him it is like he has been waiting for this opportunity since many years. So we just hope that the audience of Mumbai will visit us more and more, and they will try to see the essence behind Mahatma, the man behind the Mahatma, and also to take lessons in their own life and to learn also from his life. Thank you.
And ma'am, this collection has his first letter, from his first letter to his last remains. उनकी अस्थियाँ, उनकी ashes भी हैं इसमें. What was your first reaction when you saw this collection?
For me, it was like what you told. It's like the essence of Mahatma, not in his body, but with his, the whole soul. Like the ash represents his entire essence of the body, which remains even after the death. And also we have the print of his palm.
Yeah.
showcasing his hand and whatever the work has gone behind. His hand is very important because he was the man who told like to walk like anything, when there should be no rest. So we need to, like with this exhibition, like his body is not there, his soul is there, his what you told, that ash is there, palm print is there, and there are so many footprints by his letters, by his memories. So we just try to bring his soul behind the man.
Thank you so much.